going to show you how to make this puff stitch butterfly. I used fine yarn and an F hook, but you can use any type of hook and yarn just depending on how big you like it. This one was an inch in size, so about an inch by inch, so it's not very big. You can always make it bigger. Okay, so let's get started. You're going to start with a slip knot onto your hook. Chain 1 and then add 3. So 4 altogether. And then in that first chain you're going to yarn over, insert your hook to create your first puff stitch for the butterfly. Grab the yarn and pull up your yarn to match the stitches evenly. You're going to do that for a total of 5 times. That's your first one, so 4 more times. Yarn over, insert your hook. Grab the yarn, loosely draw up your loop. Repeat, insert your hook. This is your 3rd time. Yarn over. This is your 4th time. Insert your hook. Grab the yarn, pull up. And then your last time, 5th time. Repeat. Yarn over, insert your hook in that first chain. Grab the yarn, draw up the loop. I think you should have around 11 stitches on your hook. You're going to yarn over, pull through all the loops on your hook. And then you're going to yarn over and pull through, and then chain 2. It's going to look like this. We're going to go back to that chain 1 to complete and slip stitch. Insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull through to complete. Then you're going to chain 3. You created your first puff stitch, and now you have your chain 3, and then you're going to yarn over, insert your hook to create the bottom part of your other wing of the butterfly. Insert right back into that chain 1 original space here. Grab the yarn and draw up your loop loosely 5 times, so that's 1. Insert your hook. Grab the yarn 2. Three. Insert your hook. And then 4. You want them to match evenly. Yarn over. And then drop your loop 5 times. Then you're going to yarn over, pull through all loops. And then chain 1 to secure it. And then chain 3. Or chain 2. So chain 2, insert your hook in that chain 1 space, and so your bottom part is complete. And now you're going to do the 2 top part of the wings here. Okay, we're going to do the top part of the butterfly with a chain 4. Going to yarn over and insert my hook right into that chain 1 space again, and grab that yarn and draw it up to match the stitches evenly. So it's going to look like this 5 times. So yarn over, and then 2. Insert your hook, grab the yarn 3 times. 4, and then 5. You're going to yarn over and pull through all your loops. And then chain 1, and then you're going to chain 3, and then you're going to insert into that chain 1 space and slip stitch. Then you're going to chain 4, and then you're going to yarn over, insert into that chain 1 space again 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Yarn over and pull through all the loops. And then chain 1, and then chain 3. And then insert into that chain 1 space to secure. And then you're going to cut your yarn, leave about a 7-inch tail. Pull it through. So this is the top, and you're going to take both your tails and take the yarn needle in the back and draw them up through the top center for antenna. And that's one antenna on that side. And then you're going to take your other tail and do the same thing. Then you're going to draw it up on this side. So you have both of these coming up through the top as antenna. And then you can flip it over and it's going to look like this. And then it's complete. Okay? There you go, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe.